Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to use Squarespace to create a website for beginners. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to squarespace.com and then simply create your free account. Then you're gonna have to simply click on create website, and then you're gonna get here redirected here where you can simply use their AI to create basically your design, but I'm gonna skip this. And then what I'm going to do, as you can see, how I like to get started. So as you can see here, build a custom template with Squarespace blueprint or choose a professional design website template. So if you want, you can go with the templates, and basically that's all you have to do. So simply choose any templates, and then here you can change the color palette, as you can see, and then simply click on start with this design, and basically you can start editing your site. You can add content, you can add videos, you can add you can change text and much more. So this is the easiest way and the fastest way to create a website using Squarespace. So basically that's all. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.